Alright, I'm starting on the restoration process for this mechanical Santa sleigh made by Empire. I have two of them. There's one. The other one is up there. The motor assembly has been taken off of it. It's in that tub right there. Now this one, the assembly is all there. It's just when I plug it in, it doesn't really work right. The motor turns, this shaft turns, but this one, when it comes around and hits this plastic piece, it stops. And then you can move it manually a little bit and it will turn a little bit more. So I think this cotter pin was laying inside the sleigh. I think it goes through that hole, and then there's a hole in the shaft, and I think that's what keeps it turning with the shaft. So once I get that done, hopefully it will work the way it's supposed to. Still have to fix the Santa Claus that came on that one. His arm has been glued together for some reason. The rod and piece that go in here were taken out, and this rolled up cardboard is glued and stuck in there for some reason. I don't know why. It's not broken or anything. They just got glue everywhere when they did it. So I'm gonna have to fix that. This is the Santa Claus off the other one. The one that is up on the shelf. He's still got his cloth piece. He's still got the rod in here that makes his arm move. And all the pieces to the motor, I think, are here. The rod that's inside there goes through this hole right here, and with this pin in here, it will move the arm as it moves the body. Problem with this one is the wiring was cut off. We'll get to figure out that and what this wire goes to. Just about got figured out how it all goes back together. Figure out where that whole bushing piece goes, and then hopefully get the wires fixed, and hopefully that one will work. This one, the motor definitely works. It's just, I think the cotter pin probably fell out and it quit turning the Santa Claus and his arm, so whoever owned it at the time, just instead of trying to fix it, just said screw it and glued up Santa Claus and cut the wires. There's the wires, the light that was in it. I'm not sure what happened to that. The light went to this one. This plug that was in the bottom, and then it was connected to this light, which was just laying up here loose. I'm not sure where it goes. The other one did not have a light, so I'll have to figure something out. There's a back plate on the Santa Claus for a light, so I will probably just put a light back on, one light up in Santa Claus, have the light down here, the one that goes in the bottom. Anyway, stay tuned. More fun to come. But both of these sleighs are in good condition, other than the motor's not working. They were just so cheap, I couldn't pass them up. 25 bucks. Where else are you gonna find one of these? I think I paid 50 for one, and 25 for the other one. So stay tuned for part 2. If you like the video and want to be notified when I post another one, you subscribe to the channel. If you like it, click the like button. If you got any suggestions on how to correct any of those problems or any questions, just post a comment. Thanks for watching.